So, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be an overview of what I've done in the past couple of days. Also, we've had holidays, so not too much time to work, but okay, that's kind of like it is. But I've worked on it anyways. So, yeah. What I've done is I've I've taken this dash apart. There was a glove box right here. Then there was a wind tunnel more back here. And now we see this. These holes should be covered, but they're not, so this needs redoing. That's why we haven't got any heat. That's the main problem. That also what we can see is that I took this apart so I could lift the carpet up and unscrew bolts and stuff which were in the way. And there was a wind tunnel right there that came down and came across. The wind tunnel was with clips. Where's my clips? I can show. Oh, the clips are somewhere. I don't know. Also, I took the radio out. So, yeah, took the radio out because this is this trash is already falling apart. So, yeah, there should be clips somewhere. There we go. Like these kinds of clips, they were holding the wind tunnel together. So I had to take those apart. But yeah, mostly this is the problem. If this doesn't fix it, we'll have to probably switch or change the water pump. That might be a problem. But yeah, mostly I suspect this is the main problem, because this switches between the heat and cold, and when there's literally holes through that, the wind can just flow through that and not through the radiator. So we haven't got any heat. But yeah, I've gotten so far with it. Maybe today we'll get it done, who knows. But yeah, this is the most certainly the problem. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, here we got some pieces that went under the dash. So there's that, and here's more pieces. I mean, the glove box. The glove box was just rat stuff. Just rats. And this is the wind tunnel right here. This is a Bosch control module for probably the engine. But yeah, this is the wind tunnel that went under there, and as you can see, these are the clip spots where the clips bolt to. Not bolt to, just go to. And as you can see, we had quite a bit of trouble with getting some clips off. Yeah, this just goes up, and then through the under the hood you can bolt it down again. Also the seals and stuff. This is the blower motor. This blows cold air into the radiator, and this worked perfectly fine. Also, it's crowded with stuff, so yeah. But yeah, this is how far I've gone. Also, notice that when there is actually no speakers. Like somebody screwed the speakers off, like completely. So yeah, that's that, and that's from both sides. There we go. But yeah, probably swapping the radio. I already took it out, so no big problem. But yeah, That's mostly the problem, I suspect. Because when you turn the, you should be able to see how the heat cold. Now it's fully cold. Now it's fully warm. It moves. So this is probably the problem right here. So yeah. But till the next time,